In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy site link. By the end, you'll have the exact public URL for your Google Sites website so you can share it confidently with anyone, whether that's teammates, clients, or your audience. First, open your website in Google Sites. This takes you into the editor where you can see your pages and make changes. It's important to start here because the editor view is different from the live version that visitors see, and the link we want to copy is the one for the published site, not the editing screen. If your site isn't published yet, click Publish in the top right corner. Publishing is what makes your site available on the web. Until you publish, the only link you have is an internal editing link that won't work for viewers. When you publish, Google Sites creates a live, shareable web address for your project. If you've published before, you might see options related to updating the live site, but the key idea is to ensure your content is live, so the link you copy will work for others. Next, look at the Publish button again and click the small drop-down arrow right next to it. This arrow reveals a quick menu designed for managing the live version of your site. Using the drop-down is the easiest way to switch from the editor to the public view without guessing or manually typing anything. From that drop-down, select View Published Site. This opens the live public version of your website in a new tab. You'll now be looking at the exact page visitors see. This distinction matters because copying a link from the editor will give you an internal address, while the published site shows the true public URL. Finally, copy the URL from your browser's address bar. That's the link you can share anywhere. A quick tip, use your keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy, and Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste. You can also right-click and choose Copy if you prefer. When you share this URL, anyone with access to your published site will be able to open it, and it will always reflect the latest content you've published. That's all there is to it. Open your site in Google Sites, publish if needed, use the drop-down to view the published site, and copy the link from the address bar. Keep this link handy for emails, chat messages, social posts, and anywhere else you want to direct people to your site. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly grab the correct URL for your Google Sites project.